All right, check it out, y'all. So you see that? How thick those woods are? They're like, see what? It's Bigfoot. No, but seriously, you see how thick those woods are there, whatever? That's how grown over this was down here through the center channel. Well, I call it center channel now because, I mean, there's still woods on this side and then all the woods on this side. And I've been clearing, cutting chainsaw, dragging logs and all of that. You can actually see one stump because the tree was sideways, but there's stumps all through here, all the trees that have fell. Then you can see that big one sideways. And so one, I just want to show you what I got cleared, because this is where the red shed's going, aka tiny house. Plus I got my greenhouse in the mail. I ordered. It's 6 by 10 by 14 high, I think, something like that. But anyways, I'm gonna try and butt it up to the side of the tiny house, cut a door, and then have an add-on, a day room and greenhouse, you know, and also like a little, like put some chairs out there and just go sit with the plants and be a nice little chill area and open up some space, you know, to the tiny house, so it's not so confined. And also, you know, walk in and grab a snack, or walk in and grab some fresh goods for dinner, add-ons and things of that nature. So in theory, you know, nothing ever really turns out how I have it in my head. I always have these real pretty pictures, and it gets a little smudged and smudged. But at any rate, so got this big tree, and sorry if I sound like I'm breathing heavy and all that mess, but I've actually been out here working for a bit. That's what I do. I always get busy, started working, and don't record or take a picture or blah blah blah, yada yada, you know. YouTube rookie mistake, not very YouTuberific. But anyways, speaking of rookie mistakes, I knew better than this, so I was just gonna try and cut into it a little bit, and then come on the back side and cut the wedge, and then let it fall, let it break apart as it wish. But I was on a weird stance, so I got a little carried away. So yay, here sits my chainsaw, not too far up. That's probably about 4 foot up off the ground. Just chilling. He's just hanging out, having a good old time. So here is the remedy for that. I was thinking I could just take off the chainsaw off of the bar, and I got old Craftsman, and then put the bar off the Craftsman on the chainsaw and cut it free, but it sounded like too much work, or aka time consuming, because what I got planned is probably going to be a little bit of work, but it might be a little bit faster. Here's the solution. The old Fiskars. This is actually a really nice hatchet. It's probably a little bit dull right now, and as much of all my hatchets and machetes, they sit out here and they get a little rusty. But hopefully it should still be a little bit sharp. So I'm thinking I'll just cut in right here, and then the split will free itself. See, I had the right plan, and just enacting it didn't go so well. Now did it? We see how that turned out. Now let's see if I can find a sweet natural tripod, and set this camera up somehow, some way. Should have brought my mother-in-law brought me a sweet, like she made me a phone holder. That could work as like a little weird tripod, but let's see what we got. Yeah, you're gonna go along for that ride. There's no editing really in my videos. Okay, peeps, that looks pretty good in frame. Right, here we go. Not gonna lie. Wore out. Ay, ay, ay. You ain't got about an inch on this side before it releases. Oh yeah. Gotta make sure my aim is true. I don't want to hit my string on the bar. Oh, I hear it. I hear it. Ugh. Ay, ay, ay. There we go. And there's a sweet, like a number 7 right there. Is that a lucky number 7 or an unlucky number 7? Alright, you guys wanna watch me ride this thing down? Oh, what? Now my chainsaw is making it stop. Holy guacamole. Well, if I was just a bigger boy. So if you throw the basketball underhand, it's a granny shot. Is this a granny swing? Is this how granny swung the hatchet? Guys, that should be it. What the F? There we go. Ooh, yeah. Perseverance. A little bit of hard work. Alright. Got my chainsaw. Back to work. So you know what that means? Deuces, y'all. And like I said, hopefully your projects all go well. But we all know there's hiccups in every project. The thing is to keep pushing and persevere. And as long as it gets done, it gets done. Don't have to be the most beautiful thing. Don't have to turn out exactly how you planned it in your head, because 9.5 times out of 10, it's not. Just so long as it turns out. With that being said, once again, deuces, y'all. Y'all be well. Have a good evening, good day, whatever time y'all see this. Back to work for me.